यो नित्यमाच्युतपदाम्बुजयुग्मरुक्म व्यामोहतस्तदितराणि दृढाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोर्भगवतोऽस्य दयैकसिन्धो रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये कौडिन्यवंशवरवारिधि पूर्णचन्द्रं श्रीमत्पराङ्कुशपदाम्बुज भृङ्गराजं रङ्गार्यदेशिकपदाप्तसुदेशिकत्वं श्रीरामकृष्णगुरुवर्यमहं प्रपद्ये नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्. Jai Shriman Narayana. How does the Mahabharata really begin? Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny. Just kidding. It begins with, of course, the Mangalacharana, as we have spoken before. Then the story begins. Sometime in the past, there was a forest called Naimisharanya. Cool fact, Varaha Purana has a mention of this forest where Bhagavana explains to Gauramukha Muni how the forest got its name. Aranya is a Sanskrit word for forest. Bhagavana says that he had freed the Atma of a demon in Nimisha Matra. Hence the place came to be known as Nimisha Aranya, iti Naimisharanya. Coming back, in Naimisharanya lived Kulapati Maharshi Shaunaka. Kulapati is a title given to a highly intellectual and dharmic educator who can single-handedly feed and take care of over 10,000 pupils. Maharshi Shaunaka was performing something called a satra. Satra is a dutiful action done with the aid of numerous students through which the highest knowledge, jnana, can be acquired. Satra goes on for 12 years and Maharshi Shaunaka was amidst that, sitting among his pupils at the resting time when Ugra Shravash Sauti, the most knowledgeable of the Puranas, entered most respectfully. Known for his Puranic narrations, Ugrashravaji was quickly surrounded by the sages who attended the 12-year sacrifice Satra in Naimisharanya. With utmost respect, they welcomed Ugrashravaji and presented a seat for him to sit upon. No sooner than he was rested upon his seat, one of the monks asked, "Whence comest thou, O Sauti? Where hast thou spent time? Tell me, who asked thee in full?" Being accomplished in speech and language, Sautiji began speaking. So, the son of Chakravarti Samrat Parikshit Maharaj, Janmejaya, performed the snake sacrifice called the Sarpa Yagya. It was here Sri Vaishampayana recited the verses of Mahabharata composed by Sri Krishna Dvaipayana Vyasa. I am here after listening to those verses of Mahabharata riddled with deep wisdom and meaning. I have traveled the world going to the different auspicious places. I went to Kurukshetra, the country where Pandava and Kaurava army fought. Wanting to experience the grace of your blessings, I have come here. I understand that you all are great men who shine wisdom brighter than the sun. As you are all bathed and have fulfilled your Nitya Karma, I ask you, what would you like to hear from me today? Stories that contain precepts of religious duty and worldly profit, or acts of illustrious saints and sovereign mankind? The sages spoke. We are all certain that the Mahabharata recited by Sri Vaishampayana under the direct guidance of Sri Krishna Dvaipayana harbors all the knowledge of the Vedas. Hence, we would like to hear that with your kindness and blessings. Sautiji begins narrating the Mahabharata. So, this is the actual beginning of Mahabharata. There are many stories within the stories, and that unequivocally builds the complex state of affairs through the Itihasa. However, it is easy to get the grip of things once you start remembering the names. Hence, all these videos are made short for you to watch it in repetition so as to remember the numerous names and occurrences. That way, when we progress with the narration, you will be able to recall the backstories more vividly. Do subscribe to the channel to receive a notification whenever a new video is released. That way, you will be able to support us in our endeavor to make the Sanatana Dharma more accessible to people from all walks of life around the world. Also, kindly donate if you like the work and want us to continue making such videos. All links are in the description below. Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha.